MTD CNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
Mowidec-TT, Eric, tell me about it please.
Well, it's basically a spindle alignment device. So if you're setting machines where you need really accurate drilling with small diameters, that type of thing, it can tell you to a micron where you are on position.
Okay, and in how many axes will it do that?
On any amount of axes you have on the machine. For instance, in this instance, we are measuring a drill holder that is going to drill a 0.25 drill into a component. So you have to be absolutely sure that you have that on centre so you're not suffering from drill breakage and poor tool life.
Okay, and obviously this is on a sliding head machine. Is it limited to sliding head technology?
No, any machine that you can attach the carrier to hold the detector onto, you can do it on. You can do it on a fixed head, you can do it on a sliding head, you could probably even use it on a machining centre if you've got the setup correct.
Okay, I guess the benefits are what? Improved tool life, obviously greater accuracy, obviously.
Yep. And speed of setting is a thing, because you have the digital readout that tells you exactly where you are without going into the old traditional way of using a DTI and a mirror to see around the back to see where your error is. You've got the readout here giving you it in your eye exactly where you are.
You're absolutely right. If I go back a few years, too many years to my apprenticeship, I remember those days of clocking things in. It was a nightmare. It was inaccurate. I wasn't very good at it as well, in truth. I'm presuming this eliminates all those problems, but how long would it take me if I get this out of my cupboard? I've had a bit of a smash up, I get this out, how long is the process?
To fit this up is probably no more than 3 or 4 minutes.
Okay, can you show me through the process then, please?
Yes, it's quite simple. Obviously we've done the setup previously, but it's simply put the carrier ring onto the spindle nose. There's a detector here which has a range of 1 millimetre. So the setting is touch on your measuring piece, which is either the shank of the drill that you're about to use or a carbide rod, something that's accurate, and then you back off 0.5 millimetre, 0, and that's your start position. So now we're measuring in the Y, 0 there. We go around 180 degrees. That's the error. That can be connected in the tool offset. So then we want to measure in the x-axis, so we go around 90 degrees, we 0 there, come back 180 in the x-axis, and there's the error. You can correct that in your offset. It's as simple as that.
Okay, so as easy as that?
Yes, no need for clocks, no need for mirrors, and you get a readout within 1 micron accuracy.
And I guess no human error?
No.
Brilliant. Okay, the Mowidec-TT, it's a great bit of equipment. Who would use it? Who's a typical customer?
Anyone who wants to do accurate drilled holes, who's got a machine alignment problem, who wants to be sure that when they're producing their parts, they're getting the maximum tool life out of it.
Many thanks, Eric.
It's a pleasure.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD online on Twitter.